Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can restrict shows and titles on Netflix. So in here, through this video, I'm going to show you how you can set the Netflix restriction options. First, you can just open to the netflix.com, and then here I've already on my Netflix, and you can see there are lots of profile on my Netflix. So what you need to do is just click on one of the profile that you want to edit. So here I'm going to just click on the manage profiles. For example, I'm going to edit the restriction from this profile. So just tap on the pencil icon, and as you guys can see here, the maturity settings is all the maturity rating. So all shows can be shown in the profile, but let's say that this profile is belong to my teenage kid. So what you need to do to restrict some titles or shows, you can just click on edit. Here you need to enter your account password before you can edit the viewing restriction. So I'm going to just write the password first. Okay, after you type in the password, just tap on continue and just wait until it's fully loaded in here. Okay, so in here, this is the maturity rating that you can set. For example, my teenager is always just 16, so I'm going to change it into 16, just like this and below. And in here, if you want to restrict a specific title or shows, you can just enter the show or movie names in here. For example, I'm going to write, okay, so I don't want my kid to watch this show too hot to handle. You can just click on the title that show. Here you can also enter another show or movies. For example, here I'm going to use this one, and after that, here you can just click on save. So after that, you are done. And that's it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.